Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 1 of Taylor series for functions of two variables. In this lecture, we are going to study Taylor's theorem. Let f of x comma y be a function of two independent variables x comma y defined in a region R of the xy plane. That is, here we have a region R in the xy plane and f of x comma y is defined in this region R, and f of x comma y is a function of two variables x and y. Let a comma b be a point in R. Suppose f of x comma y has all its partial derivatives in a neighborhood of a comma b, then f of a plus h comma b plus k is equal to f of a comma b plus h dou by dou x plus k dou by dou y of f of a comma b plus 1 by 2 factorial into h dou by dou x plus k dou by dou y the whole square of f of a comma b plus 1 by 3 factorial into h dou by dou x plus k dou by dou y the whole cube of f of a comma b. So what is the meaning here? Just the function, given function at the point a comma b is this. The next term is h into dou by dou x of this, that is differentiation of f with respect to x treating y as constant, and here differentiation of f with respect to y treating x as constant. So instead of writing dou by dou x of f of x comma y at a comma b, we can write it as fx of a comma b, and for this fy of a comma b, and here we will have a plus b the whole square formula. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, and that terms into f of a comma b. Similarly, here we will have a plus b the whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. So using this, we have the same formula in another form: f of a comma b plus h fx of a comma b plus k fy of a comma b plus 1 by 2 factorial into h square fxx of a comma b plus 2hk fxy of a comma b plus k square into fyy of a comma b plus 1 by 3 factorial into h cube of fxxx of a comma b plus 3h square k into fxx y of a comma b plus 3h k square into fxyy of a comma b plus k cube into fyy of a comma b. So f of a comma b is f at the point a comma b. Fx of a comma b is fx at the point a comma b, that is, first differentiate with respect to x and then substitute the point a comma b. Similarly, differentiate f with respect to y and then substitute the point a comma b. So here to find fxx of a comma b, first differentiate f with respect to x twice and then substitute the point a comma b. So similarly, we have to find all these values. So in the previous formula, if you substitute x is equal to a plus h and y is equal to b plus k, then h is equal to x minus a, k is equal to y minus b. Therefore, the Taylor series can be written as f of x comma y is equal to f of a comma b plus x minus a into fx of a comma b, that is, in the place of h we are substituting x minus a. So x minus a into fx of a comma b plus y minus b into fy of a comma b plus 1 by 2 factorial into x minus a the whole square into fxx of a comma b plus 2x minus a into y minus b into fxy of a comma b plus y minus b the whole square into fyy of a comma b plus etc. So this is the formula, Taylor series expansion of f of x comma y at the point a comma b. So in the previous formula, if you substitute a equal to 0, then b equal to 0. F x comma y is equal to f 0 comma 0 plus x fx of 0 comma 0 plus y fy of 0 comma 0 plus 1 by 2 factorial into x square fxx of 0 comma 0 plus 2xy into fxy of 0 comma 0 plus y square into fyy of 0 comma 0 plus etc. That's the formula. Thank you.